What is augmented reality? Today, I'm wearing a pair of augmented reality glasses. These glasses are Android-based and it has a camera on the left side as well as a screen on the right side of the glasses. These glasses can be programmed to show me all kinds of information as I look out on the world around me. Maybe I've written an application that allows me to identify wildflowers. The glasses pick up the image of the wildflower, it processes them, and then on the right, it puts a box around it and tells me that it is a particular type of flower. Or maybe I've written code that would allow me to look at the back of a truck, at the placard that's there that indicates what type of materials it has, and instead of me having to know what those numbers mean, the phone would automatically look up the information and then display that to me on the screen that's on the right side of my glasses. There's all kinds of things that you can do with augmented reality. These allow you to gather more information about the world around you very quickly because the computer, either in your Android glasses or in your smartphone, is processing that information and then displaying additional information to you so that you can quickly make decisions in the world around you.